Hello my dear students, welcome back with Maths Made Easy by Jasprit Kaur. Today we'll do one more trick of multiplication. So we'll learn multiplication of two-digit number in a single step. So we'll multiply how two-digit number in a single step. It's very easy and time-saving trick. You should know. Actually, some children are applying traditional method of multiplication. Yeah, it's very good. Like up to 4th and 5th standard, up to 6th standard, it's very good traditional method. But after some age, like after 10 or 12 years, you should aware of some more tricks by which you can by applying which you can make your calculation so easy and fast, and you can save your time also. So for that, your Jasprit teacher is here to make your calculation so fast with one more trick of multiplication of two-digit number. Okay, so here we'll multiply two-digit number in a single step only. So how we'll multiply? First of all, you should know the trick. Okay, like in my previous video, I already discussed 3 tricks of multiplication, but in that some condition is there, like your unit place should be 5. One trick was that, and 2 more tricks in which one condition was that your unit place, sum of the digit of unit place should be 10, or sum of the digit of the tens place should be 10. But here no condition is there. Randomly you can take any number, any two-digit number and multiply with this trick. No condition is there, right? So here I am taking 23 into 42. So how you have to multiply? First of all, you will write like this. Okay, so first of all we'll multiply this way. So 3 to your 6. Okay, so single digit. If single digit, no worries. Then if two digit is there, we'll carry forward. Okay, so now first of all here we'll multiply unit place. Then secondly, we will multiply diagonally. Okay, so here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then 4 plus 12 is what? 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So we'll write 6 here and 1 carry forward, right? And 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So your answer is 966. So easy. So in single step you can write your answer so fast. Okay, now again, so please watch this video till end so that you can clear your all doubts by taking different methods, by taking different numbers, big number and small numbers, because somewhere two-digit number is coming and some cases three-digit number is coming. Then what to do? So for that you should watch up to till end. Okay, so here I have 43 into 65. Again in single step we can multiply this. First of all, what you have to do? You have to multiply this like unit place digit. 3 5s are 15. So 15. Carry 1 here. Okay. Then diagonally 4 5s are 20. 6 3s are 18. So 20 plus 18 is what? 38. 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. So we'll carry 3. 3 will here. Okay. Then third step is what? Third step is multiplication of tens place digit. So we'll multiply tens place. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is what? 27. So your answer will be 2795. Okay. So again in single step we did multiplication of two-digit number. So easy na? So by you can save your lot of time by applying these tricks. So again I am taking little bit bigger number. So here let us see what will happen. So again I am writing this way. First of all we have to multiply downwards, then you have to multiply diagonally and add, then downwards. Okay, so this is the trick. So by applying this you can save your lot of time. So here again first of all we'll multiply 6 to the 12. Again 1 carry. Then 7 2s are 14. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 14 is what? 68. 68. So 8 I am writing here. 6 again will carry. 68. But 1 is here. So we have to add this 1 into 68. 68 plus 1 is what? 69. So we'll write it here. 69. 6 to the 12 will carry 1 here. 7 to the 14 plus 9 6 are 54. 14 plus 54 is 68. 68 plus 1 is 69. So we'll write 9 here and 6 again will carry. Then 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 6 is 69. Okay. So again 6992 is your answer. So you can write this in another way also. I'll tell you how. If it is difficult for you to carry, then what to do? You can write 3 dashes here. Okay. So in each dash you have to write the single digit. Single digit should come here. So first of all 6 to the 12. What will write? We'll write here 12. Okay. But here is 2. Here is 1, 2, 12. 2 digit number. What we'll do after that? We'll carry this 1 to the further number. Then diagonally we'll multiply 7 to the 14, 9 6 are 54. 14 plus 54 is 68. We'll write 68 here simply. Then 9 7s are 63. We'll write 63 here. Now what to do? So now we'll take this 1 here because we need only single digit here. So we'll write 2 here. This 1 will go here second place. It will 8 plus 1 is 9. Then this 6 will go next. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 will come like that. Again your answer will be 6992. Easy. So like this I am taking next further bigger number. Here also you will get, your doubt will clear. What will happen if 3 digit will come here, then what to do? Again first we'll multiply unit place. 7 5s are 35. So we'll carry 3. Again diagonally we'll multiply this one. 8 7s are 56. 9 5s are 45. So 56 plus 45 is 101. So 101 plus 3 is what? 104. So we'll write 4 here and 10 will carry. Okay. Then 10's place digit. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 10 is what? 82. So your answer will be 8245. So again bigger number you can also multiply in a single step. But another way I'll write again 85 into 97. If you are feeling difficulty, you have to do in your mind. So for that you can write here and then you can add. Okay. Again both are same thing. So here what we'll do, 7 5s are 35. We'll write 35 here, 2 digit number. So we need only 1. So we'll carry 3 to next number. Okay. So then 8 7s are 56 plus 9 5s are 45. Again 101. So here now 3 digit come. So 8 9s are 72. What we'll do now? So what will happen? So this what I told, this first digit will write here only. Tens place, unit place will write here only. Then next number will go next. 3 1 plus 1 is 4. So 4 will come here. Then what? The remaining digit will go next. So 10 will go here. So 72 plus 10 is what? 82. Your answer is same. Okay. So this way you can multiply 2 digit number in a single step or like this also. If you are feeling difficulty in single step, you can do like this. But both are very easy. If you will do by traditional method, little will take more time. So within second you can multiply 2 digit number. Okay, by applying this trick. So this is very simple trick. By applying this you can save you a lot of time. So please children, share this video with your friends also, maximum friends, so that you can they can also learn different tricks of multiplication. They can make your calculation so fast and they can save their time also. Okay, so here are some problems for you. Apply this trick on these problems and solve this trick, all these 3 problems. Okay, and share your answer with me in comment box. So like, share and subscribe. This is your own channel, Maths Made Easy by Jasprit Kaur. And be touch with your own channel, and I'll come with maximum with new videos, new tricks, so that I can make your math so interesting and make your calculation so fast by applying all these tricks. We will come with more tricks. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.